Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you how to change PIN2 for any mobile. What is PIN2? When you are activating anything, you need to know your PIN2 number. Suppose if you want to activate fixed dialing facility, then go to phone and here just tap on 3 and go to the setting. Go below supplementary services, here fixed dialing numbers. If you want to activate fixed dialing facility, then you need to know your PIN2. Suppose you are not knowing your PIN2, how will you know? I am going to cover in this video. Watch this video till the end for complete information and complete knowledge. So, not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and if you are finding this video useful, please do consider to subscribe this channel and please write a good comment. So, see, I will show you. I am PIN2 invalid. I am entering here wrong pins so that I can show you. In case of forgotten PIN2, anybody will enter wrong pin. Now it is locked, password incorrect, change PIN2 here. Now for unblock PIN2, what you need to do, enter PUK2 and you can 10 attempts left. So how will you find your PUK2 number? Listen very carefully. PUK2 number is associated with network provider. So if you are using postpaid number, then there is a way, and if you are using prepaid number, then there is a way. I am going to cover both. First I will cover postpaid. How? Just in postpaid I am using here Airtel. If you are using Jio, Vodafone, any, go to your provider app. Here I will go to the Airtel app, Airtel, and it will open. And now see here, this is the main page you will land, and tap on help here left bottom corner and chat now. As soon as this will open, type here, press the type and here just write PUK2. As soon as you will write PUK2, it will say get my PUK. As soon as you will press it, it will come PUK1/PUK2, both will come. So you need to know only PUK2 number. Just enter there. I will show you what to do further after getting the PUK2 number, but this is how you will. I will press it. So here is my PUK number. Because this is a prepaid mobile, so I will get only PUK1. But knowing PUK1 will not solve any problem because this is a prepaid mobile. In postpaid mobile you will get both PUK1 and PUK2, and you will enter PUK2 in there in that place I have told you in this video. I have shown you. For PUK2 for prepaid mobile, what you need to do, go to the phone and here dial 12150, call it and try to connect with customer care. Once you connect with customer care, just ask PUK2 number. They will verify some details from you, your date of birth and last recharge, similar type of things, and then they will tell you. I have also forgotten my PUK2. I have just called and confirmed. How to call Airtel customer care, you know. If you don't know, I will write a comment. I will make a video. So now I will go to the same place, setting, and then supplementary services, and here fixed dialing numbers, unblock. Now I will enter PUK2. So I have entered the PUK which I have received from customer care just few minutes before. So press OK. Now see, new pin. You can choose any pin, but you have to remember it. Okay, new pin. Okay, see, PIN2 block. Now go here, enable or disable. Now it is enabled. Go to the FTN list and here you can create. So you can add from here any number. Okay, so this is discard. This is what I wanted today to this is what I wanted to tell you, that how you can get your PIN2 number by getting PUK2 number. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much.